2016 CF 12745, State versus Skyler Francis, and we'll get the attorney on the line hopefully.
Hi, Mr. Fletcher. You're on speakerphone at open court with Judge Peacock.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Fletcher. We're on the record in 2016 CF 12745. I'm Judge Peacock. I'm covering for Judge Ballou as she's feeling under the weather. And we're here on I believe that, the way that I have figured this out is I believe that Judge Ballou has set this hearing today to address the fact that she issued an order, it looks like on the 16th of February, that order that the state was agreeing, or that there needed to be an evidentiary hearing, and the order says that the parties were supposed to coordinate a hearing date, and a notice of hearing shall be filed within 21 days of this order, which I believe would have been March 9th. And here we are on May 16th, and I still don't believe that that's been coordinated. Is that what everybody understands us to be here for?
Yes, sir, that is correct. We've been going back and forth with the state attorney's office trying to reach a negotiate that disposition, but I'm not sure that that's going to happen, so we would need to set it.
Okay, when you say negotiate disposition of the entire motion, or you're just saying you were going back and forth to come up with a time to have a hearing?
When I said, Your Honor, I meant the entire motion.
Oh, okay. And now the state, I'm going to give them a chance to respond. Mr. Shiner?
Yeah, we were trying to resolve the case with a plea. Mr. Francis was sentenced to 15 years DOC, followed by some supervision. We had some plea negotiations go back and forth. I had to speak with the victims on the case, who are sheriff's deputies. Mr. Fletcher, I spoke to them Friday afternoon, and we're not going to be in a position where we can resolve it for what your offer was. So,
Yes, sir.
that's where we're at.
So based on that, it sounds like that I'm going to give you all to the end of the week to come up with some time. It looks like Judge Ballou needed you guys to determine how much time was needed and then contact the judicial assistant to schedule that. So I'm imagining that can be done by Friday.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's see, how does this work? So I'll order that the parties will have a hearing date set with Judge Ballou's judicial assistant by the end of business on Friday, the May 20th. And then, clerk, what do we need to do with actually setting the case?
Yeah,
Okay, so it
we'll
doesn't
set
have
it with a notice of hearing.
Okay. So the notice of hearing will be filed by the close of business on May 20th with a date that has been agreed to upon the parties. And I believe if it's not done by Friday at the 20th, Judge Ballou is going to pick a day, and everybody will have to be there on that day. All right.
Yes, sir.
Anything else, Mr. Shiner?
No, thank you.
All right. And Mr. Fletcher, anything else?